Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, and welcome to another video. Now this is a brand I never heard of before. It's the Meliff Airblower Cordless. And in this video I'm gonna put it to the test. You can use it in your garden to blow leaves. You can use it in your shed for dust. You can clean your keyboard, you can clean your car with it. You can pump up your swimming pool or your inflatables. And I'm all gonna show it in this video. Now the price of this tool is $49.99, comes without a battery, and it's compatible with all Makita batteries. In this video I'm going to unbox and test the Mellif dust blower. It's a brushless machine. That means a longer battery life and a higher performance. It's compatible with the Makita BL 1815, the Makita BL 1830 and the Makita BL 1850, etc. batteries. Batteries and charger are not included. That's why I have them separately. That's the dust blower. And it comes with some accessories, like two hoses and some nozzles and a manual. The manual is in English. So here we have the dust blower. Now Meliff is promoting these tools. That they are compatible with the Makita BL batteries, but I have chosen their own battery, a 4 amp hour, comes with 1 year warranty, 18 volts. And here you can see the model number. And this is a very nice battery. Looks very good. Has a battery indication to see how many there is left inside the battery on both sides. And we have this charger with a heat protection, overheat protection, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, 18 volts, also 12 months warranty. Let's show you the charger really quick. Looks really like some quality. And you can see the model number here, the output. So the battery is fully charged. So I can add it here. As you can see, it's fully charged. Looks a pretty weird green on the blue, but that's okay. If it works, it's fine. So, and I showed the nozzles already, but yeah, you can pick the one you prefer. You can use it to clean your car dashboard. You can use it in your garden to blow leaves or dust in your shed, sawdust. You can clean your keyboard from your computer. Now take a closer look at the machine. So it has this release for your nozzles, as I showed you. You can choose any nozzle you like, add it here, and it's stuck. You pull back the ring to release it. On the back side, we have this filter, and not many air blowers have these, but when you're using it in your house or in your shed to blow dust, it's possible that it will come into your air blower and that it will destroy your machine. But they have really thought about it and they put an air filter in it. So that's very nice. Put it back. I hope I'm doing it right. So on the back side we have this one. And we can, if we remove this one here, you can add these to the back side. I have to match up these slots here. Where are they? There. And on the other side. And then you lock it. And then the nozzles fit also on the other side of the hose. So you can extract air from your airbed or your inflatables to get them vacuumed. This is very nice. Remove it, putting the filter back on. You have to match up these slots. Turn it. And we have this smaller hose to blow clean in smaller spots. It's very nice. So it's a very complete tool. Let's give it a run. Wow. That's really blowing. And here we can see the trigger. It's locked like this. You have to push the unlock button here. And then immediately you see pop up the LED light. And you can lock the trigger, like starting it. If you push it again, it unlocks. It's a soft rubber hand grip. Here on the bottom we see this start button. And you can change the speed. Low, high, medium, low. And my goal is to show you this product in the right way, so you can decide for yourself if this is something for you, yes or no. For what I have seen now, I do like it. So let's take it outside and do some tests. I'm outside, putting it on the highest setting. See if we can blow away these leaves. And of course you can also clean your workbench. I have this very old swimming pool. So just find the right nozzle that fits in the pool. So this pool has two chambers. I'm gonna fill them separately. Start with the first one on high speed. The second one. Now that was easy. And of course first I have to pull the plugs. The air will come out already. change the nozzle. Just put it in there. And it's all empty. After all this air blowing, it used one stripe. So I hope I showed you this product in the right way. I do really like this tool. In the description you find a link to this product, including a discount code, 20% off. The price is $49.99. That's excluded the battery and the charger. You have to buy them separately. It's compatible with the Makita BL series batteries. And if you have more of the Meliff tools, you can also choose the Meliff battery, which fits all the Meliff tools. Please give my video a like. Subscribe to my channel for future videos if you want to see more. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.